Experiencing issues with your 2025 Chevy Silverado's infotainment system, like a frozen screen or glitches, a quick reboot is often the solution. To perform a soft reset, simply press and hold the infotainment screen's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes and resolves most minor issues without deleting your data. This reboot process addresses approximately 70 to 80% of common glitches. If the screen is unresponsive and the reboot doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes, but consult your owner's manual first for safety instructions. If a reboot doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all personal data, restoring the system to its default settings. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset within the infotainment system. You'll likely need to enter a confirmation code, often the last 8 digits of your VIN. Remember to back up any important data using the My Chevrolet app beforehand. Automotive infotainment systems are rapidly evolving. Expect AI-powered diagnostics and self-healing software to reduce the need for manual resets in the future. Over-the-air updates are also becoming more frequent, addressing bugs and improving overall system reliability.